Sorry to tell you guys this year I'm starting my phone content with a touch of madness. Anything you see, like, comment, and share on it. I'm giving you people back to back. The one that is good, the one that is bad. Because I want to give you all what you want. I give you what I have, and you give me back what you got for me. Mwah.